Me not stand be foolishness and you know that. So him could not go out with all them things and live under my roof. Him was a good boy, Sarge. They making my son look like a gunman. He never hold a gun in his life. You mad? And stay away. Before that, me broke him to and then me can't trust the police, Sarge. Me come to you because me know you. Taffy are innocent.
Detective Chan said the lane was dark. Or him know said the boy had a gun and there was no shot fired. You not find that strange?
Big man thing. You know, so Detective Hunter come by the lab today and investigate all the shooting.
Look like the boy father go to him. Not say nothing. Team time soon come.
Nothing will stop the delivery of them trucks though.
I mean, Detective Hunter is requesting your drivers to be
Those trucks won't be stopped for anyone. Is that clear?
But that would be dangerous, sir. Sarge, I mean, Detective
That
Hunter.
is final, Miss Daly.
There's a bike on Highway 95 doing 260 miles per hour towards the convoy.
Detective Chan, what were your immediate actions after you realized that you were
I
cornered?
had to shoot my way out. Both men were armed and dangerous.
Something just not add up to me.
These trucks are Tricon Services property. They are fully automated and will deliver your goods where you need them. All you have to do is program their route. You won't get anything faster than these.
Detective Sarge Hunter.
Excuse me, me never get your name.
I didn't give it.
Damn! The brother you know, Joe. I mean business.
The money's gonna get you. The money's gonna get you. The money's gonna get you. And you, and you. The money's gonna get you. The money's gonna get you. The money's gonna get you. And you, and you.
Catch a boy and I know if it's all.
No. Sorry. I want dopey.